Hi guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, quickest biscuits and most tastiest biscuits you ever had. Like, it's only two ingredients. Can you believe that? Two ingredients just to make biscuits. You know, just two. No butter, no nothing. Just heavy cream and self-rising flour. Quick and easy guys, quick and easy biscuit. And all you're going to need is a bowl and a spoon and some extra flour, just to, so help you roll it out. And you don't even need a rolling pin for this. All you need is these two ingredients: heavy cream, self-rising flour, a bowl, and a spoon. Can you believe that? So easy, so easy. So let's get to it. Not for me talking, I don't want to over talk this. So what I want to do is get into it and just make it. Self-rising flour has the leavening and the salt, so you don't need any of that. All of that stuff is in here. Heavy cream is where it gets almost to, and my oven is preheated on 375 degrees, if you heard that. And I have 1 cup of heavy cream, and heavy cream is right there just before it starts to salivate into the butter. So there you go. Well, it gets to the buttermilk and turns into butter. So let's not over talk this. Let's get started. Alright guys. So now let's just get our flour in here into our bowl. And that was 2 cups of self-rising flour. As I said before, it has everything in it that you're going to need. Alright? Now, we're going to start slow and just add a little of the heavy cream. We don't want to add a lot. We want to slowly add our heavy cream. And just take our spoon and just mix it in, just like this. And see, it's almost there. It's almost there. Like I said, just that 1 cup. That's all you're going to need. But I don't want to pour the whole cup in there and then I didn't need the cup. You know, because sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. Look, it's forming into a ball. Look how quick that is. It ain't really doing anything. Get the rest of it in there. Look at that. There you go. Now I'm going to get this on to our counter. First I'm going to dust it with some flour. Some bench flour as it's called. But I'm going to use some self-rising flour. And my counter is clean. Don't worry about that. You know, heavy cream is expensive, so I'm just going to get it all in there. That whole cup. Alright. Let's get it all out on the bench. We don't want to work it too much because we don't want tough biscuits. Alright. I'm going to take my rings off to do this. And you just get it in here and you just kind of knead it into a ball. Just kind of knead it into a ball. Just pull it up and fold it over. Pull it up, fold it over. And it's almost where we want it. So we don't want to work it too much. Remember, it's the biscuits. And if you don't have a biscuit cutter, use a glass. Use a glass. A glass will work just as well as a cookie cutter. Now I do have another biscuit recipe, whatever. form. And if you feel it's too dry for you, just add a little more heavy cream. Just forming this just like this. Just like this. So I was unhappy with the dough, so I just wanted to add a little more heavy cream. You can always add, but you never take away. So this time I get my hand in there. There it is. Now this is the dough I'm looking for. So 1 1/3 cup of water. Of heavy cream will do, you guys. Look at that. Perfect dough. Perfect dough. Get all of this out here. Some more bench flour. I'm just going to flatten it out. Flatten it out. You don't really need a rolling pin, but you can use one if you like. Alright. That's beautiful. So my oven is preheated, like I said, on 375 degrees. Flour. My glass. I'll get it in there and just boom. Got a biscuit. Again. And get closest to the edge as you possibly can for your biscuits. Come up there so you guys can see. Get in there. Biscuit. Biscuit. And just keep repeating the process with the glass and the flour. Like this. There we go. And now, see what I like to do, so I don't, keep kneading the biscuit and then it just don't rise the way I want it to. So I just kind of do like I do with pie crust and just, put it back together. I call those the leftover biscuits. And you just smash it back out. Try to get as many as you can. These biscuits. And then this last piece, you can just roll into a circle. If you want to, you could, but I'm just going to form it into a circle and put it in there with the rest of the biscuits. Alright, I'll come back and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay guys, so here are my biscuits. They made 9 good sized biscuits. Look at the bottom. Now let's open this baby up. Oh, look at that! I'm telling you, look at that. Now let's dust it with some butter. I don't know about y'all, but I love a good butter and biscuit jelly. Little sweet bottle, boy. You doing it to me. Look at that. I'm just gonna spray that on. Oh my god, like, Shelly, where's the knife at? I don't need one. Look at that. Close that baby up. I made a whole biscuit jelly sandwich. Biscuit jelly. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Two ingredient biscuit? Huh. What you talking about? Y'all guys gotta like, share, and subscribe. Make these biscuits 2 ingredients. Can't go wrong. Easy biscuits. Homemade easy biscuits, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.